Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we got a really cool product to review. This is ZEAK's 5,500 pound electric ATV winch. Now this is pretty awesome, and I want to point out we're going to be opening it, we're going to be showing you it, and we're going to go over all the features and stuff. And subscribe to my channel because in the future we are going to be installing this. We're going to be showing you how it works and so forth. So you guys are going to want to subscribe to my channel and see all of that too. But let's see, you know, I have been an outdoorsman all my life. ATVs, three-wheelers growing up on. So I am excited to see how this looks. I'm very familiar with winches. Back a long time ago, we used to have Polaris 500 four-wheelers, and we had a lot of issues with fallen trees on the farm property that we managed, and so I'm excited to see how this looks because compare it to the other winches that we've used in the past. And like I said, we will be installing this on a future ATV, so you guys have to subscribe so you can see that video in the future. Oh man. Right now I can tell you that plate, that is solid. That's a good start. When you got a solid steel plate, oh man, I wish you guys could feel the weight on that. That's a good start to the quality of what's to come. Oh yes. Very nice. This is a really nice kit. The kits that we've installed in the past were nothing near as nice as this. Wow. Yeah, this is extremely nice. Extremely nice. So I'll show you guys up close here. So by the way, it comes with a manual as well. So this is another great thing that does frustrate me. For some companies don't include the wires, and you know, back when we had ATVs, that would really frustrate me because then I had to order the correct wires for it. This is a nice thing about this kit. It comes with the wires, all the wires that you need. Comes with all the bolts that you guys need. Let's check out the control. Alright, so that is nice, really nice. In, out, you know, see, companies can take after these guys. You don't need a problematic controller. You just need a simple controller that does the job. So you have in, you have out, very nice. Good feature that they added, the little grip for your fingers. That's a really good feature. Good long enough length cord. That's another good feature as well. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this kit is done well. I mean, even when you're plugging it in, it has a little washer here you can turn. I mean, I'm extremely impressed with this kit, guys. It makes me want to go out and buy an ATV right now so we can show you guys how this is properly installed. But like I said, do not worry, we will be doing that in the future. Oh, let's check out. Wow. I love how everything is so heavy. You know when you get a winch kit and everything is light, then you know that it's made out of poor quality steel. This, you just know by holding it, and you can tell that it's actually made out of real high quality. So nice rollers. I'm inspecting every part of it just so you guys know. Yeah, it looks like everything was put together correctly. Right size bolts. 8.8, 88. Okay. So far, so good, guys. Now, this is, let's check out, look at this. They even come with the hooks. Look at that, guys. Can you believe it? Okay, this is the only thing I see so far that I think I would upgrade. So this says forged. I assume this is forged steel. So that's not what I would upgrade. But this little pin here, holding the bolt in. This little guy right here, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. I would upgrade that bolt because, I mean, not the bolt, but the actual pin, because that is a little on the cheaper side for, but I'm kind of shocked, you know, for all the other components, just to hold the bolt in. Now that's not really a too big of a deal, but the pin could be a little bigger. You guys probably won't have an issue with that at all, so you know, that's just one thing I'm going to do before I, you know, use this. I will get just a little more thicker pin. That's it. You know, nothing crazy, just a little more thickness. Even though there's not much room, we're just gonna go a little thicker overall. And but so far so good. But everything can be awesome. You know, you can have everything. Controller can be great. The box can be great. But if this is not good, then you have a problem. So let's make sure we're not missing anything. Here is what we actually really, oh man, we want to really look over. Oh man. Let's see. So some companies, they knock off other winches and they simply bulk purchase winches and put their decal on. So we're going to see if this is one of them or if not. So it looks like this is their original one. Okay, very nice. I like it that they color code it so that it basically helps you to let you know where the wire goes. So we got yellow, we got blue. That's really nice that they did that. Free and so over here you have free it and you can lock it. So let's see, we want to, locking is this way. So that should hold, yep. So we can't pull it now, but when we free it up, it rotates. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a really nice kit. Oh my goodness, I'm getting extremely excited, guys. I am getting extremely excited. So we mounted bracket on. Wow. Sorry guys, I know it's silence, but I'm just inspecting this thing and I am extremely impressed with this. The seals are good. Sometimes the seals aren't good when they put it back on. Yeah, cable, everything overall looks extremely good. Wow. So again, this is ZEAK winch, 5,500 pound ATV UTV winch, 12 volt DC. The max capacity is 5,500 pounds. Keep clear of wire, rope, and area around drum. Do not use for overload. Wait, what? That's funny. It says do not use for moving people. I don't quite understand what that means. I mean, yeah. Anyway, wow. I am extremely impressed with this, guys. This was a well put together kit. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this kit is well worth it. I actually do think this kit is a little cheaper than what it really should be. I do believe this is definitely a $200 plus kit. As of right now, it was cheaper than that. I can highly recommend this kit. You guys are gonna want to subscribe to my channel to see me put this and install this. It's not gonna be, you know, it's gonna be in the future, because right now we are looking at farming different lands and we want to get back into ATVs and stuff like that. So for now, you guys are just gonna have to hold off. But I can tell you right now, this is a good kit. If you're looking for a winch, this is the one you want to get. It should have plenty of pulling power for whatever you want to use it for. Yeah, this kit is really nice. I'm just, wow. I really like this kit. Man. Well, maybe sooner than later we can get an ATV on the channel and install this. But this is going to do a great job with pulling up and, you know, basically you can use this winch for on the job, or you can use this for fun. You know, if you're out wheeling around, get stuck, tie this winch around a tree and you can pull yourself right out. You know, this is, wow, this is really cool. Yeah, so I know I keep saying that, but this kit it's definitely something special, and I can highly recommend this, and I can give this a good solid 10 out of 10, and I can give that review based off of what I know from in the past working on the ATVs that we've had, the Players 500s and added winches. And we paid over $400 for winches back, you know, this was probably 9-10 years ago, and those winches were nothing compared to these. Nothing. I mean, this quality is so much better than the $400 ones, and this is half the price. Wow. I am going to be making sure this stays safe, because I cannot wait to install this. Yeah, if you guys need a winch, check out the link in my video description. I highly recommend you guys give them a chance. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. I know I am not. Thank you guys for watching.